Are you the owner of a Dodge 5.9-liter diesel experiencing electrical issues? It could be due to a corroded or damaged alternator cable. But don't worry, XDP has you covered with the XDP HD Alternator Cable. This direct fit replacement cable is designed to restore proper operation to your charging system. Made with 4-aught construction and heavy-duty crimped-on terminal ends, this cable is built to last and withstand the demands of your vehicle's electrical system. Replacing your old and corroded cable with the XDP HD Alternator Cable is quick and easy and will prevent issues such as improper charging and added strain on your electrical system. When it comes to your vehicle's electrical system, every connection matters. That's why you need the XDP HD Alternator Cable. Get yours today at xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.